Yeast is not just for baking bread. It's a natural powerhouse for plants, loaded with vitamins, proteins, and growth-boosting compounds. When added to soil, yeast stimulates beneficial microorganisms, enriches the soil, and gives plants a quick energy boost for rapid growth. Ingredients you need: 1 tablespoon dry yeast, baker's yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 liter warm water. 1. Take 1 liter of warm water in a jug. 2. Add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. 3. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This helps activate the yeast quickly. 4. Stir well and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. 5. Now pour this fermented solution directly into the soil near the roots of your plants. The yeast releases natural growth hormones that boost root development. It stimulates beneficial bacteria in the soil, making nutrients more available. Plants become greener, stronger, and healthier within days. Flowering plants show more buds and blossoms, while vegetable plants produce bigger and tastier yields.